Hello and welcome back to John's Corner. Yes, I look like this because I just woke up and everyone's been busy. Sometimes I don't get to sleep a lot, and today is my payback day. That's why uh, I'm still sleepy actually. Anyway, let's go back to John's Corner. Happy holidays, especially to those who have subscribed to my channel, who have supported my channel, who have watched all my videos. Thank you very much. A lot of people have PM'd me. I feel like I'm a call center now for NBA cards. It's all good. It's all good as long as people are very interested in the hobby. I welcome it. I welcome everyone in the hobby, and I hope you guys do it the right way. We will talk about the good and also the bad. We will start talking about the bad things that I see in the hobby as well. So maybe we can correct those. Anyway, we're not doing NBA cards today. We are doing Transformers. Now, these Transformers I got at a really super steal prices. I will show you later how much I got them for when we start doing the unboxing. I only have three Transformers here. This one, Ratchet, the Ratchet Studio series, which means Bayverse. I'm not a huge fan of the Bayverse toys. I'm more into the classic Transformers. I will be giving this away for free and ship it for free here locally in the Philippines. This will be my Christmas giveaway for you guys. One lucky winner will win this. So stick around, finish the video. You'll see the mechanics of how to enter the Christmas giveaway towards the end of this video. Also super pumped up that YouTube has monetized my channel. That's another milestone reached for John's Corner, and very super happy about it. Now, before I do start, I want to give a shout out to Sir Roy Ciruela. He gave a shout out to John's Corner and also to me because I sell cards on the local FB groups. He does have his own podcast. Please check it out. It's on Spotify. It's all about NBA Fantasy League. So if you're into that, talk shop about NBA. So please, I do recommend check out his podcast. I will show you in the screen. You can follow him, listen to his podcast, and learn more, get tips, and maybe improve your fantasy leagues. So these are just three toys. It's not going to be a long unboxing. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here are the three Transformers that I got. I got these at Robinson's Galleria. 200 pesos for this. It's just a super steal already. And this is Outback, Power of the Primes. Other one is also 200 pesos. It's Cindersaur. This one is the Studio Series Autobot Ratchet for a whopping 300 pesos. Come on. This is just already a giveaway with a price. 300 pesos for Transformers this big. Just a super steal. Original. It's not fake. I will research the SRP prices for this so you guys can see the difference. For these two, they're like $10 each. And this one is around like $20. So $20 is 1,000 pesos. For 300 pesos, it's just more than half. That's 70% off already. Now this from 500 became 200. But I think here in the Philippines, because these are imported toys, actually these probably don't sell like 500 each. They probably sell like around 600, maybe 700. These are great gift ideas. I did buy these like maybe 2 months ago. Let's start with these small ones. Okay, let's put this aside. Let's start with the Dinosaurs, Cindersaur. Let's check him out. Look at the artwork. Not gonna read that anymore. Cool. Cindersaur. It's a small, it's cute, small, I guess easy also to transform. Okay. So let's check real quick how to transform him. after the transformation, this is what it looks like. Cindersaur. Pretty cool, right? Nice. Pretty cool. And only for 200 pesos. Convert that right around $4. Next toy. Next up, we have Outback. Check out the toy. Cool paint, right? Can't really complain. 200 pesos. It's not even a micro transformer. It's, you know, it's not bad. Maybe around 3 inches. Now let's transform him. Okay, done. This one's pretty cool. Easier to transform than the other one. Cool, right? 200 pesos, guys. Outback. These are very recommended toys. So these are the small ones. Only 200 each or $4. I'm gonna be keeping these two for the collection. Cool. It is like a Humvee. By the way, this top right here is his shield when he is in the robot form. Now, let's go to the big one. Studio Series Autobot Ratchet. One lucky winner will be winning this. This will be our Christmas giveaway. Check this out. I'm not a Bayverse fan, but still, look at the detail. And it's like a 6-inch figure. Come on, 300 pesos. How can you beat that? They probably can't lower the price anymore for this because 300 pesos is only $6. Cool. Now let's transform him. So finally, here is Ratchet when you transform him into his fire truck, fire department. Cool, right? So again, there's gonna be one lucky winner to win this transformer, and I will ship it to you for free. Good luck to the winner. I will randomize it, and the number 1 spot will win this. So once again, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit that notification bell on the side so you can get updated every time I post new videos.